So, good evening, everybody. This is Sumit Agrawal from ICICI Direct. So today's topic is all about basket order and how we can optimize our strategy in the basket order. So for that, you just need to log into your website and then click on FNO. And then in FNO, you can simply click here on basket order. Now, in order to create basket, you will need to go through multiple steps. There's a traditional way you can create basket. Then you can create basket using quick start, or it is also called as predefined strategies, or you can create from strategy builder. So let's go and create basket from strategy builder. So simply by clicking strategy builder, you can see the entire option chain. Here you can select a strategy. Let's say I'm buying this particular contract, and then I am selling another one, which is 22,550. So once you have added these contracts here, you can see the sell and this is buy. So I've created a bear call spread. Here you will be able to see all the details like strike, right, expiry dates, the price that it is at the moment, and then bid price, IS price, and all the details as well. Simply click on analyze. Here you will be able to see the payoff graph of that spread. You can add this to basket. Then in that case, you'll need to enter name of the basket. Let's say bear spread. And then here you will be able to see this particular basket getting created. Now here in the basket, you will be able to see that the contracts, buy and sell, then LTP price, and then the quantity. And if you want to change the quantity, let's say to some other quantity, and then click on margin, you will be able to see a revised margin here. So let me just click margin here. You will be able to see the final margin required here, right? And the required margin is like 131. Now the difference between required margin and final margin is that in required margin, this is the maximum amount or the maximum margin required in case if you go and sell this particular contract, right? The sell one. So let me give you an example. So suppose if I'm untaking this buy leg and I just wanted to execute the sell leg. Now, what is the margin that will be required here? So this will be roughly around 124, 1,24,237 to 87 rupees. Now, if I add the buy legs as well, now buy leg is 50 quantities multiplied by 140 roughly number, right? So that is the additional margin that will be required on top of 124. So that has been added into the required margin. But once I execute this, I will get a margin benefit as well, right? So once I get the margin benefit, the entire margin, final margin drops down completely. So now if I click on here, you will see that the entire margin requirement is just 30,000 rupees, as opposed to 124 earlier that we saw. Now in this, if you click on avail margin benefit, what will happen is then that your buy leg, so this particular leg will get executed first, and then this sell leg will get executed. So in this case, what will happen? Your peak margin won't shoot all the way to 131. In other words, if you simply have 131,000 or 30,100 rupees in your account, you will be able to execute this particular strategy hassle free. So that's what it means. So it is necessary that you click here on avail margin benefit in order to get benefit of this limited margin in your account. Now there's another facility called as include open position. Suppose you already have. Now let me just untick this first line item. Now suppose you already have this in your position, live position already running. You come into this basket. Let's say I've deleted this particular one. You come into this basket and then you simply execute this particular one. In that case, you'll need to click on include existing position, and then you'll be able to see the margin. It will tell you that the margin required will be the dropped margin because you already have the live position available in your account. And then all you can do is just click on simply place order. It will ask you to proceed, and then the order will go through. As of now, right now, it is under the expiry, so you won't be able to execute in this case. So this was all about the basket order through strategy builder. Now there's another way you can do the same. which is something that you don't if you don't understand what kind of strategy you want to create, or you don't have a clue as such कि मुझे कौन सा कॉल एंड कौन सा पुट खरीदना है या कौन सा कॉल और कौन सा पुट बेचना है. We have this predefined strategies available for you. All you need to do is just click on that quick button. You can decide on your own. If you want to change the script, let's say I go with Bank Nifty for a 22nd of May, let's say, and I go with short straddle. ठीक है. सो शॉर्ट स्ट्रेल का यहाँ पर आपको पे ऑफ ग्राफ दिख जाएगा. उसका प्राइस क्या चल रहा है फॉर दैट सेल कॉल ऑफ 48,100 का स्ट्राइक, एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम यू आर सेलिंग अ पुट ऑफ 48,100 एज वेल. तो यहाँ पर आपको वो चीज दिख जाएगी. Here, if you click here, you will be able to see the margin required. All you need to do is just done. Then you need to give the name of the basket. Let's say um, Bank Nifty Short Straddle. Okay, I'm just giving an arbitrary name. You will be landing directly onto this particular page. Again, I've already given you the explanation of what exactly this one is. Here in this case, you will be able to see the margin, which is going to be 113,000. If you have any buy position already available, then there is a possibility that you will be able to see a reduced margin here in this case, right? So this was all about the basket order. Now there are a couple of more functionalities that I would like to show you here. Is first is this copy functionality. Now why this functionality is there? In basket order, lots of people they would like to trade a huge quantity, and before the start of the day or during the day, if they want to trade a huge quantity multiple times. So in case of Bank Nifty, there is a freeze limit of 900 quantities from the exchange, so you won't be able to trade more than 900 quantities in any single order. If it You won't be allowed to trade basically, because that's a freeze limited given by the exchange. So in order to trade 900 quantities in multiple iterations, so you can create multiple legs here, right, of let's say 900 quantities. I'm just giving 90 here. So and similarly here 90 as well, because you'll need to create like that. So you can create four or five different or seven as per your requirement that you wanted to trade throughout the day, 90, 90, 90, 90. And then while executing, all you need to do is just send all these orders at the same time. So you will be able to send 900 ka one lot, 900 ka one line, and 900 ka another line, and so on and so forth. So that's how you will be able to create simply by clicking on copy button. Now um, that's it basically. In case of the basket, if you want to add the intraday orders as well, you can do so. All you need to do is just click on basket, and then just you need to go to the option plus. Let's say again I want to add nifty ka nifty 20,500 ka, let's say 23rd make a put. um I want to sell um ठीक है जो भी है. I want to sell, and all I need to do is just click on, sorry मैंने stop loss नहीं डाला. So my stop loss is, let's say, 5 rupees. Save. So underlying is not enabled for this product yet. 50 span 48. Stop loss, let's say 100. Then save to basket. What type is cover, and my stop loss is going to be 100. 50 and Acha, sorry, my mistake. Yeah. Yes. Again, this is showing that is not enabled for this product for some reason. So basically you got the gist, right? So you will be able to add that here in this option plus, And then if you want to analyze again, you can simply click here on analyze, and you'll be able to see the payoff graph, that today's payoff graph आपका कितना होने वाला है, expiry payoff कितना होने वाला है. At the same time, you'll be able to see the graph over here. And then you can simply click here on the place order, give another basket name because you have changed it. Let's say new BAS, new basket. Then I click on basket, and then simple click on place order, and your order will go through. As of now it is in the expiry, so I mean the day has been ended, so yeah. And once the order goes through, you will be able to see this in the order book if you have any orders available there. Or you can, if you have limited funds available, you can also go and allocate funds over there. So that's it for the basket order. Just one more feature I think I have missed is create basket. Let's say through create basket, which is the upload feature, which is a very convenient feature for the people who already knows that what they wanted to upload into the basket. So let's say upload share. So here you can upload a CSV file um, of your choice, but then it needs to be in a the a prescribed format. So let me just open that file for you. So here it is given as a symbol. You can write either future, future plus, options, option plus, right? And then based on that, you can also have the expiry date, the strike price. So demo is given here. An example is given here. All you need to do is just create the file in this particular format, and then simply save it. Let's say I'm saving this particular one. Demo basket upload file 6 is what is being saved, and let me choose a file. Downloads, demo file, open, then upload. So that will get uploaded, right? At the moment it is saying invalid contract because the I haven't put details over there. So yeah, but you will be able to do that if all the parameters are correct in that case. And you'll be able to upload it. So this was the feature that I was about to tell you. So all in all, in order to create a basket, you can create it from the strategy builder. Once you have created the contract using the strategy builder, you can analyze it. You can optimize your strategies based on delta, theta, gamma, greeks, and the today's payoff, the expiry payoff. And accordingly you can adjust the quantities that you wanted to trade, and that's how you will be able to optimize it using the strategy builder. Again, you can do exactly the same. If you don't know how or what contracts you wanted to add it, you can do so by simply clicking on quick start button, and by using the ready-made templates you can do exactly the same by optimizing your payoff chart, and then changing the strikes, changing the number of quantities, and so on and so forth, and accordingly you will be able to trade it. So that's it for the basket order. And thank you very much.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.